Is your child's cough lasting longer than expected? Many parents in my OPD ask me, my child's cough is not getting better. Should I be worried? So, the truth is, the cough after viral infection may last for a few weeks. But if there is any major danger signs such as breathing difficulties, wheezing, fever, sleep disturbances, then of course you should be worried. There are many other causes of all these things, that is asthma, allergies or any other major respiratory disorders. So you need to check your child at the right time so that the child can heal better. So consult a pediatrician now.